guys, what's up? It's May and welcome back for another video. Today, YesStyle has sent over a package full of makeup goodies and the theme is cruelty free. I would just like to note that not all of the products that YesStyle is selling or putting on their website is cruelty free, so if you are going to be very particular about having cruelty free products, you have to dig a little deeper and do your own research to know which brands are vegan and cruelty free. So let's head on to the video. Okay, let's open it up. I have two BB creams. One is Sand Beige and the other is Natural Beige. I also have a COSRX Blemish Cover Cushion. It performs its duty of covering skin while soothing them down with effective ingredients. One of the ingredients listed here, I'm really happy to see. It is niacinamide. It is quite famous these days and people have been looking for skincare products that has this. Then we have naming. It is a dazzling eye glitter. Next we have Keradium Shining Pearl Shadow Stick. I got the number 6. They have a lot of options when it comes to shades. This would be an easy way of applying eyeshadow. Makeupbyangetan actually recommended this to me and told me that it was worth trying. So I'm so excited about this. If you want to know more about Makeupbyangetan, this is her IG. She is based in Philippines, here in Manila. If you want some glam looks, especially a Korean look, which is really a hit nowadays, she's been to Korea and experienced the makeup firsthand and she is bringing it to the Philippines, so get excited if you have any debuts, glam shoots, weddings, and you want to kind of look like a K-pop star. Girl, she does all the magic. Lastly, we have 2 shades of Alicia. I got number 3, which is Glow Day, and number 5, which is Nice Step. We're starting off with 2 BB creams. I don't know what shade I am, so I decided to get 2 and just decide which shade I'm closest to. But I feel like I'm kind of in the middle of these 2. Let's try the Natural Beige first. So this is the Natural Beige, so it is a little bit too pale for me. I know this isn't the right place for you to swatch foundation because this is the lighter part of your skin, but this part is a little bit hairy, so I'd rather put it in my face and show you this. So if you're lighter, this could be your guide. So I think it would be best for people who has paler skin, so just like that. So let's try the darker shade. This is definitely more my color. As you can see when I squeeze it out, this is mostly what my foundation looks like. So let me just put it over here so that we can compare both my cheeks. But at the same time, it seems too yellow. It just seems like too yellow for me, while this one seems too pale. I feel like blending it both would probably be my color. Comment down below which shade you think I am, or if you think I'm right, that mixing this both would probably be the best option for me. So I know it looks stupid that both my cheeks are not the same color, so let's try to fix that. I'll be blending both colors and putting on my face, so here's a quick time lapse. First of all, I just wanted to appreciate that this is actually lightweight, so I don't feel like there's something heavy or thick on my face, even though I had like 2 layers on my cheeks because I had to try the first one, then add on the second layer just because I had to mix these 2. It does feel like my skin is glowing. I feel like I don't need to add highlighters anymore, so if you're going for that natural look, this is definitely it. Next we have is COSRX Blemish Cover Cushion. So this I'm pretty excited about. I honestly didn't know that COSRX has a makeup line. COSRX is famous for skincare, which is probably why niacinamide and tea tree is one of their products in their makeup line. I feel like this is going to be a big hit for people who like skincare and also want to cover their blemishes, because of course when you have a pimple and it turns into a scar, you just can't rely on skincare to make it disappear. So this is the kind of magic that we all want. Skincare with coverage. So let's try it out. So this is very new. I haven't even peeled this off. Let's do this. I'm sharing the satisfaction, guys. Boom. I just just love that. Okay, so it comes with a cushion. So this is how Koreans do it. Like, open this up. So it's kind of like a foamy texture. All you have to do is press, and oh my god, that was a lot of product. And there you go. We have shades for this. I got 27 deep beige, which I think is a little bit too dark now. But I'm going to try it on. I don't know where. I'll just put it on my forehead for now, I guess. Ooh, okay. Okay, it's not that dark. It's not that dark. It actually feels moisturizing, but not the thick kind. I really don't like foundation that is thick, because we're in the Philippines, it's super hot here. You're going to sweat everything out. Heavy makeup or thick, creamy makeup does not help at all. So what you want is a light foundation that works well for your skin, because of course, each skin is very different. Gotta be honest with you, I feel cakey right now because I have so much foundation going on in my face. I need to kind of wipe it off because there's just too much. COSRX is a little bit thicker than the 𝕕𝕠𝕟𝕝, but it has more coverage. So if you're looking for something that really covers up all those blemishes, I think this is a good product, especially if it has ingredients that are helpful for the skin. Then I'm applying contour and highlights. These are not from YesStyle, but these are cruelty-free and vegan. This is from the BT21 line contouring stick from VT Cosmetics. And this is the Liquid Luminizer by Rare Beauty on the shade Mesmerize. Then I'm going to be trying out this 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐼. So it's kind of in a brownie shade. So let's try it out. I honestly have no idea how I'm going to do this without messing it up. Okay, this is a safe shade. I'm pretty happy. Look at that, it doesn't seem like it's too much, and it seems like a subtle sound. That's kind of like what I'm going for. I really want to make a subtle, no makeup look, or something like a glowy Korean look. Right now, looking at the camera, I feel like there's a big subtle difference about putting this on. A light brown shade makes your eyes kind of like pop. Plus, it is so easy to apply. You don't need to be a professional. Next, we have 𝕤𝕤𝕝. Not sure if I'm saying it correctly. It is a dazzling eye glitter. Giving you the second satisfying part of this video. Oops, okay, that wasn't satisfying. I just tore a little bit. Okay, that was not satisfying at all. Okay, here we go. Why? Okay, I'm starting to not like this product. Why? So I feel like I should put it in the corner of my eyes like Koreans would. Okay, let me test it out on my hand first. Okay, there's not a lot of product. Let me try again. Okay, let's just mix it in and try again. Okay, you can't even see it on camera. But low-key, I'm kind of happy that it's not that crazy, but also a little bit disappointed that it's similar to lip gloss. It just makes my hand shiny. Okay, there's honestly not much to show you for this one. So yeah, that's kind of it. A little bit sad, a little bit disappointed. Lastly, we have Unleashia, and I got two shades. One is Nice Step and the other is Glow Day. So I'm really excited about this because a lot of my lip products have expired and I really need to throw them out. So this would probably be my new collection. Can I just say these look kind of cool. I'm going to try shade number 3, Glow Day. Ooh, okay, that was darker than I expected. The bottle seems light. I know I ordered these, but I didn't know that it would be that dark. So this is shade number 3. Really not a fan of sticky stuff on my lips. I usually tend to eat it off because I feel bothered that it's sticky. This is Nice Step. I feel like this is an orangey tone. Okay, they kind of look the same. Oh, they don't look the same on camera. So I'm going to try them on my lips, and I feel like my lips are cracked, so please forgive me. Let's try Nice Step first. Since it is lighter, I feel like I should go for a lighter first. It smells like fruits. So it's kind of orangey on my hand and kind of pinkish on my lips. So it didn't transfer, but the gloss did. So in my hand, it's kind of like glossy now. Kind of happy about it. Let's try the other one. I hate this part because I have to remove it. So my lips are still red, but let's do this. Okay, wow, I kind of like this one. It's kind of like mature. So it didn't transfer color as well. There's a little bit of color, but it's not that dark. But again, gloss. A lot of gloss transferred. For watching, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates. If you want to support me make these kinds of videos, you can buy me a cup of coffee. I'll link it down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye!